Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video. So, you guys, gospel artist Xolani Kwinana finds himself, trending once again. You guys, now this comes after his heavily pregnant wife came onto social media, of course, to make serious and very damaging allegations of GBV. According to the wife, Olani has been abusing her, has been beating her up to a pulp. You guys, now, the wife went onto Facebook to post, of course, pictures of her a sullen face to corroborate what she wrote there on the platform. You guys, now Uxolani then decided to do a bit of damage control, and has released this statement, and of course denying all the allegations which were leveled against him by his very own wife. The statement which Uxolani released reads as follows, so I am just gonna go ahead and of course do read it. Heavenly greetings to all supporters, fans, and followers of my music, as well as the public at large throughout South Africa and possibly Africa at large, saddened by the statement and/or allegations released supposedly against me by my wife, for which I intend to follow up and get to know better about when I return to South Africa. I respond as follows. On Thursday, the 22nd of May 2025, on Facebook page of Fifi Gubevu Elihle, who is my wife, it was alleged that I was abused and/or abused her physically, and that I failed to support her. I admit, like any other couple, we from time to time would have differences, which I believed that we sorted between ourselves. All the differences, I deny the allegations of GBV as alleged, and in support of my denial, I state the following. I met my wife for the first time ever during August 2020. I did not know her before we got married in June 2021. The trending pictures were posted by my wife during November 2023 on her TikTok handled named Mrs. K. Kwinana. The pictures are from the incident that happened 5 years before she posted the pictures. So the pictures depict an incident that happened 5 years before 2023, and that should be between 2018 and 2019 when she sustained those injuries. I did not know her at the time. I know those pictures to reflect injuries she incurred when she was involved in a car accident, as she told me. Her family knows about those pictures and the accident. I never assaulted my wife as claimed, and I have never been physical with her in any way or form. My side of the family and her side of the family have never received a report of this about the assault and/or any other allegations against me. I have established the fact before I attend to this statement. I have no case of whatsoever kind opened against me by my wife. I deny that I failed to support my wife during the passing of her biological mother, and in support of my denial, I state the following. When my mother in law was sick, I supported my wife, and when I was away, I left my vehicle to transport my wife's family to visit her mother at the hospital, and my wife's cousin would drive the family to the hospital. When my mother in law passed on to be with the Lord during November 2024, I received a call informing me of her death from her pastor, and I immediately returned from Joburg to Cape Town, and thereafter I transported my mother-in-law to the Eastern Cape where she was buried. I was with my wife and her family until the funeral was over. I contributed financially to the burial as I paid the funeral parlor that was attending to bury my mother-in-law. I have proof of the amounts which I paid. Should there be a need, I will produce the same. I paid or contributed to the groceries during the week while preparing for the funeral, and could not count any other contributions I was making during the time, as I never anticipated a day like this would come for me to have such evidence. I was physically, emotionally, and financially present during the times my wife needed me. I am currently not in South Africa, and at my return I intend to have a sit down with my wife and address any differences between ourselves to the extent that we can. Currently, I have escalated the issue to be addressed and handled by our family.